Hey, welcome back. Cosmo Easterly here. Gonna make another version of that egg souffle thing. As you see, we've got a couple of them already done. We're cooking in an oven today with gas. So what I did is took the bacon grease and wiped the pans. We're actually in Texas and up here for a wedding of some friends. So we're cooking that breakfast dish like we talked about for a lot of different people. There's different people staying in different houses, so we'll make this dish and put it in. So the bread gets dumped in this time opposed to being mixed. The reason being is I want the bacon to lay on top of that. All right, got the bacon, and we pre-cooked that, obviously, crumbled it. Not gonna put the cheese in, but I am gonna put the vegetables on top of that. And it's just mixed vegetables. I think, got the bacon, I wanted to have some kind of healthy in here, so that was good. So I have the bread down, the bacon, okay, all used. Now I've got 6 eggs in the bowl. 6 eggs in the bowl. And I'm gonna whip them up first. Now before, what I did is I had put everything in the mixture. This is gonna be a little different because I'm gonna use more milk so I can get the bread really saturated and let it soak overnight. So I'm using a little bit of McCormick cayenne pepper, again, the measurement, teaspoon, a tablespoon, no, teaspoon. A little bit of the mustard, dry mustard, a little bit of pepper, and a touch of sea salt. I'm not a big salt fan because trying to keep the sodium down. Okay, I mix all that up again with it. Oh, you can smell that pepper. Now what we're gonna do is add the milk. Basically 1/3 of a gallon with this because I need it to be a lot more liquidy. And I'm gonna do this recipe for each one of these individually. Of course, when you're at somebody else's house and you're traveling, you don't know what you're gonna find. So it was rather interesting for us to try to put all this together and then cooking in a gas stove. So we just pour that in and that's gonna sit. I'm gonna take the mixer, I'm gonna just push that around, make sure it gets in there. And then we'll do that each 3 times. We're gonna put it in an oven for 350. We're gonna sprinkle the cheese on top. I'll go ahead and do that. And I want quite a bit of cheese on it because we're cooking again in the gas stove, and that's gonna get a nice little char on top of that. And there you have yet another version of the egg souffle coming to you from Dallas, Texas, doing weddings. So live well, God bless you. Thanks for visiting the planet. Cosmo Easterly.